Apple is about to pull off one of the biggest supply chain moves in a decade, and it's happening right in Austin, Texas. But this isn't just about logistics, it's about ending Sony's 15-year monopoly on iPhone cameras. Samsung is investing $19 billion in a Texas factory to produce a brand new camera sensor for the iPhone 18 Pro. This isn't a rumor. Job postings confirm Apple is racing toward a March 2026 deadline. If you're planning to buy the iPhone 18 Pro, the most critical part of your phone won't be made in Japan anymore, it's coming from Texas. Apple is tired of Sony's delays and wants full control over its camera tech. The new sensor uses wafer-to-wafer hybrid bonding, stacking 3 layers of circuitry directly behind the light-capturing elements. This creates near-zero latency, insane burst photography speeds, and dramatically improved low-light performance. But here's the catch. This new sensor is expensive and complex to build, so Apple will keep it exclusive to the Pro and Pro Max models. The standard iPhone 18 will likely use older Sony sensors, creating a big gap between the base and premium models. Apple is strategically locking innovation behind higher prices, a calculated innovation tax. There's also risk. Samsung has never produced these sensors in Texas before. Any delay or quality control issue could disrupt the iPhone 18 Pro launch. Apple is essentially using this as a live test run for a new manufacturing process. For photographers and creators, this is huge. Night mode, low light performance, and burst photography will all improve dramatically. But if you want this cutting-edge tech, you'll have to pay the Pro price. Apple isn't building for the average user anymore. They're building a luxury ecosystem, and the iPhone 18 Pro is the test subject. The gap between the standard iPhone and the Pro has never been wider. What do you think about the iPhone 18 Pro Max? Will you pay the premium for the camera upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for the latest Apple leaks and news.